Alright, so got my valve covers, spacer, the carburetor, that PCV valve there for the oil to go into the freaking into your intake for some stupid reason instead of into the air. So I'm gonna just take the PCV valve and just make it go into a breather. So that there, your blow off valve for this stupid supercharger. That was black. That was disgusting. Like I literally took hours like cleaning it. Like you take this, you put it in the tub. Well, that thing in the tub had, like you can still see how nasty it is under there. I'm gonna have to take this thing apart and clean that all up because that's well nasty. And yeah, I don't know how well. So that's got a bit of play. I'm not too worried about it. What do you expect for a junker? But I did clean it out in there. It's still, well, tried to, I would say. A shitty attempt. I took out the PCV valve that goes in way in there onto the other side, which is that plate there. Hence that thing. And that width is the size of like the outside diameter is the same size as a Canadian quarter. I don't know about American quarter, but I'm from Canada here, and well, I got Canadian quarters. So I put it in and put the spring back on it, so now it doesn't allow a little pipe that goes just in there. You'll see the tiny little, well, if the stupid light goes in, you see a little tiny stupid hole in there where it looks like it's light brown. Almost in the dead center of this. Yeah, there. Now, dead center of the camera. You can see that weird discoloration. Yeah, that's where the oil would suck up in through a PCV valve, which everybody knows you don't want to oil your freaking inside your pistons. That makes no sense. All you're doing is, what is this, damn two-stroke, Like, you don't mix your oil with your fuel. This is a four-stroke engine it's going on, and that's what it came off of. It came off of an old Grand Prix. So, yeah, everybody knows this M90 Eatons. And you know what? 90 cubic meters go onto a low compression 302. It's pretty much at its max when it will do that, but I'm going to try it out. That'll be like the intake port for it. I told you can't ever change this up, otherwise it messes up the amount of pressure coming out. This, don't know really what that does, but there's like something that looks like to be bushings for the back of the fins, blades, turbines, whatever you want to call the freaking things. I don't know. Yeah, try to make it work. Be some stupid redneck thing. So many people have done this before, but yeah, and all these oil valve things, that's an issue. Because I'm not sure if you really need to use all these to keep it cool or lubricated for some reason on the outside, but it really doesn't make any sense to me if it doesn't go. Like, it has even a port on the front here. But yeah, that's what that is. That's what it's going to be. I had to clean all that crap up today. That's why. Take out the carb. That's nasty ass crap. What amount? Like, why would you have this big piece of plastic in the middle of the way stopping you from, getting in there? Look at the amount that it's fighting. Stupid people. Bad designs. But who do you expect when it's engineers told this is what you have to do or you're fired? Do what we say, not really what you should do. That's why I'm not no engineer that really cares to be part of some company being a mindless drone. Yeah, I ain't going outside. I'm surprised. Oh yeah, you can see a bit of oil on it, but at least this stuff's not sweating already. That supercharger, well, mind you, it's made of a lot of aluminum, so yeah. It's not like I'm gonna need a rebuild kit. Just gonna take it apart first, clean it up, make it look decent. Paint these things to a Ford blue. Try to find that color. I've got some Ford blue paint that I use for my Thunderbird that I'll use for the same for the 302 because Ford blue is Ford blue. But that's what it is, and that's what we're gonna work on. And if I feel like it today, I'll clean her up. Probably be tomorrow.